Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can edge slide in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do, press tab so we can switch to edit mode, and here if you press 2 on your keyboard you can go in edge select. And now if we select these edges, now you can press G and G again, and now we are in edge slide mode. And what you can do right now is simply you can slide the edges without any problem, and it works great. Yeah, so G, but then G again, don't forget, and now you can slide the edge, you can move it. All right, select J, J again, okay, J again, you can even like hold, if you hold while you slide and you press G twice, you can also press Alt. You can see here Alt or Champ Alt, and now you have this option, which is pretty cool and very helpful. But I hope guys this short tutorial saved you time and helped you. Thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.